Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So what should be the topic of today's video? How about a DIY? Since we haven't done a DIY for quite a while, and I'm quite interested to do it today. Are you guys excited? Let's jump right into the video. So for today's DIY, all you need is a shrug. We all have that shrug which is worn out, just lying there in the corner. Take it out of your wardrobe and let's do some magic on it.
So this is the shrug I'm going to use for the DIY. This is a very old and loose shrug which I hardly ever wear. So cut the shrug on the sides like this till the middle on both sides. Now take two sides and make a knot. To disguise the knot, pin up the fabric like this. You can use safety pin or needle and thread to sew it. So make sure both the ends are of equal length, otherwise adjust them. Now bring the two sides together like this and we are going to attach them. I'm going to use safety pin. You can use needle, thread or sewing machine. And repeat the same on the other side. I've placed the two sides together like this and now I'm going to use safety pins. So one side is fixed, let's move to the other side. So this is how the knot looks. So if you use same color thread or safety pin, it won't show. You can fold the sides 2 to 3 inches inside like this to keep the front open, but I'm going to keep it loose for the more cool and elegant look. And this is the final look, guys.
I'm super happy with the results of this DIY because I stopped wearing this cardigan or shrug for a very long time now, and with this small DIY it completely transformed the look and I'm surely gonna start wearing it from now onwards. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked this topic. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do share your valuable feedback with me through your comments in the below section. And I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and do try this DIY. Bye!